Hello, everyone. My name is Lauren Pike, and today I will be sharing an update with you all on the DPA helper. So first, a little bit about what the DPA helper is and why I chose to create this project. So 4-H families in Henry County, Georgia currently have a lack of resources to help them create speeches and portfolios for 4-H's District Project Achievement Competition, which is our public speaking competition we participate in across the state. Currently, 0 interactive online resources exist to support DPA participants. Only 3 print resources exist to support these participants. And in 2023, 73 people contacted my 4-H office requesting more materials for DPA preparation. So what is the solution to this problem? Simply put, the DPA helper. The DPA helper is an interactive online resource that contains tools to help youth create 4-H portfolios and write their speeches. The website has 3 main features. First, a homepage with all the requirements and aspects of the project for each grade level and group. Second, the speech assistant, which allows 4-Hers to input information and create a properly formatted 4-H introduction, outline, and conclusion. And finally, the portfolio builder. This is a feature that allows youth to enter activities they do throughout the year so that at the very end of the year, they can generate their 4-H portfolio. So let's take a look at the live site. Here you see the DPA helper homepage. Here are all of the links to the different resources on the Georgia 4-H webpage and all the guidelines to the different aspects of the competition. Additionally, we have our speech assistant tab. Here youth can enter information. So we'll say I'm Lauren Pike. I'm a 5th grader from NMI Elementary in Clark County, talking about beagles. I'm going to feed them, I'm going to groom them, and I'm going to house them. So here you can see that introduction, the body sections, and the conclusion have been generated. This way youth can take their research and plug it in and know exactly where it goes. Additionally, we've got some links to some different guidelines, to a Friends book, which is a supplemental teaching material we use in the classrooms that the youth would have already been introduced to. So if they lose it, they can access that here, and some example projects. Now, moving on to our portfolio builder, if we go in here, one of the main challenges I faced with this project was creating a portfolio builder where youth could enter their own activities, but not view the other students. So to do that, when you go to the portfolio builder, you log in. And once you log in, you are able to input all of your information. So let's say I'm logging a community service event. Let's say I made cards for the elderly, 50 of them. I spent 5 hours on it. A description for Christmas. And then if I wanted to upload a picture of myself doing it, I could do that here. If I hit submit, you'll see I get a blank page to confirm it's been submitted. And then I did this so that if youth wanted to enter multiple activities at once, they had the opportunity to do that if it had been a whole week since they last entered them. And then they can view their portfolio here, or they can navigate to the portfolio builder, scroll down and hit view portfolio. Here you'll see on this account, I've entered 3 different activities. I can sort those based on the different headers, or I can even export it as a Excel file. And I can view that here. This way, when youth get ready to create their portfolios, they have all of the information and activities they've done throughout the year. Additionally, you can log in using the login link. Here is also where you can log out or view the details of your account, such as your email and things like that. In addition to creating the DPA helper, I've also developed a user testing plan for it. The goal of this user testing plan is to learn how effective the DPA helper is in assisting participants that are preparing for district project achievement. To do this, I plan to interview 8 to 12 4-H related adults and youth using a pre-test with about 10 questions, a prepared script and task that asks the users to go in and navigate the DPA helper, a post-test with about 10 questions, and a system usability scale survey that asks participants to rate how they feel about the website. Once this is done, I'll analyze all of the data using task success, user satisfaction, and scored responses. Through this process, I hope to learn how I can further improve the DPA helper to help the participants and youth of the 4-H program better prepare for district project achievement. Overall, I think this is going to be a super helpful tool for those students who are working on DPA, and I cannot wait to see how it continues.